3D printer owners, this video is for you. If your heated bed wires aren't soldered directly onto the terminals, you're risking a house fire. This is because the current passing through those wires is far more than what the connector can handle. After a while, your connector will get too hot and start to burn, like this one did. Tonight, I'm redoing the solder on one of my Anet A8s, so I'll show you how it's done. Here's the Anet A8, and here's why I'm redoing it. As you can see, the ground wire came undone, and the red wire is in pretty bad shape. Looking closer at the red wire, you can see loose copper strands, which is bad news. I've got my solder equipment ready to go. I'm scared of damaging stuff by taking the old solder off, so it's probably a bad practice, but I'm going to leave the current stuff on there. That was pretty sloppy, but it'll do. When I tug the wires, the bed moves and not the actual wires. The last thing to do is plug in the thermistor again. This doesn't need to be soldered to the bed because a thermistor draws a lot less current than the actual heating elements. Now I'm going to test my work by connecting power and calling for heat. The red LED came on when I called for heat, which means this worked. Because the metal prongs were burnt, I cut off the plus and minus sides of the connector. That's completely optional. Now that the soldering is complete, the next step is reinstalling and leveling the bed. This will be in a future video. Thank you for watching.